In this video, I'm going to show you how you can compare changes in the Handbook system. So first of all, you need to make sure that you log in. Go to Federated Login. From there, we can go to Content in order to see all the content that's available. And if we go to Moderated Content, it will show us all the content that has been changed. So here I can see that Joanna has submitted something that's ready for change. From here, if I hit Edit, then if I hit the Revisions tab at the top, I'll be able to select the current version, which Joanna has shown. And then I can also see this version here. And then I can compare between the two by clicking Compare Selected Revisions. Once I do this, I can scroll down and I can see the changes that have been made. So what was there and what has now been put in place. And if I'm happy with that, I can click the Publish, or I could send the revisions back by adding a log message. So I'm going to click Published and Apply. And this will now become the latest version, which is published to the website.